To create a new Facebook page, go to your profile, log into your profile on Facebook. Then after you log into your profile on Facebook, click on these three lines that you are seeing on the top right corner of your profile. Click on these three lines that the arrow is pointing to on the top right corner of your profile. Then when you click on the three lines, this will display. Then click on pages. So these are the pages that we are managed, but if you want to create a new page, click on create. When you click on create, this is telling you a page is a space where people can, it's showing you what you can do with page. Then click on get started. When you click on get started, here it's asking you, what do you want to name this page? Then you can put the name of the page you want here. Then you click on next. So here now, what category best describe your page is asking you, what's the category you want to name your page. There is giving you some option, computer company, all this. You can see actually add from here. The digital creator, you select the one that go with your page. For here now, I will select digital creator. Then you click on next. Later you can add category, but I select digital creator for this one. Then so here it's asking you, do you have any website for your page? If you have a website, you can put your website in, but if you don't have, you can still go on and click on next. You can still add all these things later. You can skip, then you click on next. Then this is the page. Now there is no pictures for now. If you want to add picture, you can click on add here, but if you click on done now, you've automatically created a page. Then let me click on done. So the page has been created now. This is the page, GAP Computers and Digital Solutions. This is a new page with 0 like, 0 followers,